Hey, what's up? It's Kami from Pac-Man, and I'm here to say Happy Thanksgiving to you. This is going to be a Happy Thanksgiving elevator ride. Okay, let's go for one ride on the elevator. And it's a Schindler elevator. I will put that in the description. I'm going to go 2. Door close button does not work. There we go. Like I said, it does take forever to level. Here are 2. Let's go back down to 1. And here, Schindler. These are the fixtures. Phone. It is a nice elevator though. It has hard walls too. Plus I also like the fact that this elevator has carpeting here. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving.